this video, I'll show you how to find or get your Discord token. Finding and using your Discord token can compromise your account security. It is strongly advised to handle tokens carefully and avoid sharing them. Go to Discord's website and click on Open Discord in your browser. Sign in with your Discord credentials and press Ctrl+Shift+I or Option+CMD+I on Mac to open Developer Tools. Refresh the page with F5 if needed. Click on the Network tab within Developer Tools. In the filter box, type /API to search for API requests. Press F5 to refresh the page if necessary. Look for a request with the name library and click on it. Then find the authorization field in the headers. Copy the token from this field and be cautious with your token, as I said before. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.